So an LLM, a large language model, is basically, you can think about it as a black box where it's going to receive input and it's going to generate some output. Okay. So this output usually is going to be text if we're talking about text language models, and the input is going to be text as well. So for example, an input can be write me a song as a text, and the output is going to be a song. So this is what the LLM is going to generate. And if we're going to talk about text to image, it can be text in as draw me a pony, and the output is going to be a drawing of a pony. So you have multimodalities of large language models, but overall, the main usage that we're seeing right now in the enterprise is using this text to text. And this is called generative AI because the AI is actually generating text. It's generating new content. So this is as opposed to classical AI and classical machine learning, where it's usually for classifying or to output a number between 0 and 1. And this is generating. So the applications here are really endless because we can really utilize this to do a lot of cool things to our features. For example, to summarize reports, to show our customers, maybe to give some new outreach if we're talking to new customers and potential buyers. So it has a lot of usages.